here everyone. So today we'll be taking you to Dumaguete from Dauin. I'm gonna try to go walking. It's only 15 kilometers, but it's super hot, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. And along the road I will be showing you a little bit of the area. It's actually beautiful place. Hope you guys enjoy it. So here we have Local, that's an Asian fusion restaurant, one of the places that I choose to come to have a bite. And this is Migos, it's another food restaurant. This is the cheapest one that I found till now. And yeah, it's quite cool. And over here we have one of the best pizzas in town so far, from the Mare Pizzeria. It's quite authentic actually, it's quite good. And here we have a pickleball court for all those Americans living here in the Philippines, in Dauin. Let's keep walking. Okay, so I'm 10 minutes into the walk and I'm already regretting this decision. It's so hot. The sun is just unforgiving. But it's still a beautiful walk, and I'm sure I'm gonna get a nice tan as well, so let's keep walking. And it's just over here we have the other gym. I haven't been there yet, but I'm definitely gonna come and check it out, and maybe in the near future make another video of the different things here in Dauin. And we are just arriving in the edge of the city. That is the bridge that splits the two towns. And I think the next town is called Bacolod or something like that. Have a look. And yeah, that's the bridge, and we are entering Bacolod. That's the name. And we still have like 2 hours and a half more to go. So apparently, from that sign over there, we still have 12 more kilometers to walk. Shouldn't be too bad. I should be able to make it. We'll see. But we're still walking. I have to change the camera. I started using the GoPro. I was using the iPhone because I can connect it. I can connect the microphone and it's a better audio, but with the GoPro I lost the little mic and I wasn't able to get one back, so because it's so windy the sound, the audio is not that good. Oh, nice house over there. Little school. Arrow School. Maybe it's close. Okay, so we are reaching the hour 30 minutes mark, and we have another hour and 30 minutes to go apparently. And this is the mall that is closest to Dauin, but I'm not sure if it's fully operational yet. It looks quite new and still has some rent spaces, still some areas over there for shops and stuff. There we have like a little food market, and it's just too late and too tired to stop the food. What they have, I need to carry on walking. Ah, there we have the sign. 10 more kilometers to go. Okay guys, so we're still walking. It's extremely hot. I didn't think it through. Okay guys, so yeah, still walking. Super hot. I don't know how many degrees it's doing, but I feel like it's like 45. Kind of stop sweating. A lot of people saying hi. Super friendly people. And still got, I think, I don't know, 6-7 kilometers to go. I'm reaching the 2 hours mark of the walk. I think I have 4 or 5 more kilometers to go, but it's super hot and I'm getting super tired. I overestimated the heat here, and I think I'm gonna have to stop a trike. It's like the tuk-tuk version here in Philippines, and see if I can reach to the immigration center. Hey guys, so I hit the 2 hour 30 mark. Yeah, and I'm super tired and super hot, so we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait the trike and go to the immigration office. We have a big ass church here, okay? And I'm just gonna wait here under the shadow. Let's see how long it takes for the truck to come. We've been waiting for a little bit, no truck coming. So I think I will have to go, keep walking. Keep walking, keep walking. Oh, there's a truck. Oh, stop the little girl. Oh, no. Huh?
You're just walking.
Yeah, from Dauin, but I got very tired.
It's too far, about 20 kilometers.
Yeah, I made it in 2 hours 30 and then I just got super tired, man. Thanks for stopping. What's your name?
Romeo, sir.
What's your name?
Romeo.
Romeo?
Yeah.
Ah, nice to meet you, Romeo. So yeah guys, I decided to take the trike because I just was super tired, super hot. I was super tired, and here Romeo is going to charge me 100 pesos to go all the way to the immigration department. I need to find out exactly where it is now. But yeah, maybe next time I can make it all the way through. And just over here we have the Robinson Mall. It's the biggest mall of the area from Dumaguete and Dauin, at least. From here I think we have 5 more minutes on the drive. That's the museum of Dumaguete? Ah, good museum? It's alright? Museum. Okay, so we just made it to the Bureau of Immigration, and now it's time to get the visa. It was a long walk. Maybe later on can get a coffee. Now I need to find an ATM because they only accept cash here. So let's go. I think there is one just in front. Now that we got some cash, we can go back to the apartment. It's supposed to be inside here, so let's have a look. Okay, so it just finished up. They told me that I have to come back tomorrow to pick up the passport and to give me the change and the receipt. It's pretty straightforward procedure. Just I don't want to come back tomorrow, but it is what it is. Now it's time for a coffee. Okay guys, so we're still in Dumaguete. It's a beautiful night. And now it's time to head back to Dauin, head back home. I couldn't get the passport and the visa today. We will have to come back tomorrow. It cost 3,000 pesos, something around like that, but it's okay. Okay, so we're on the tricycle again, and now we're heading to Dauin. 400 pesos